Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the age of streaming, it might surprise some people, but CD players are still going strong in 2025, and for good reason. Audiophiles and music lovers know that CDs deliver consistent, high-quality audio that many still prefer over compressed digital formats. Whether you're rediscovering your CD collection or building a serious hi-fi system, today I'm breaking down the top 5 best CD players of 2025, from budget-friendly picks to audiophile-grade machines. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 5 is the Sony CDP-CE500, a fantastic choice for casual listeners and people who still love the simplicity of a traditional multi-disc player. This 5-disc carousel CD changer lets you load up your favorite albums and listen for hours without switching discs. It's got a clean design, an intuitive remote, and even supports MP3 CDs. Plus, the USB port lets you play digital music files directly. The sound quality is clear and reliable, and it pairs well with almost any stereo system. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to enjoy long listening sessions, the CDP-CE500 is a rock-solid choice under $300. At number 4, we have the Yamaha CD-S303, one of the best value-for-money single-disc players available right now. Yamaha's reputation for clean, natural sound is on full display here. It supports standard audio CDs, MP3, and WMA playback with high-precision 192 Hz 24-bit DACs for excellent audio reproduction. Pure direct mode minimizes interference, giving you a more refined, detailed sound. It's also built like a tank, solid, minimalist, and ideal for people who want a dedicated, high-quality CD player without breaking the bank. For around $400, it's a superb entry point into quality 2-channel listening. Coming in at number 3 is the Denon DCD-600NE, which delivers incredible sound for its price class. Denon's advanced AL32 processing restores subtle details in your music and smooths out digital signals to make playback feel warm and natural. This CD player is beautifully built, has an intuitive interface, and includes both analog and coaxial digital outputs. Pair it with Denon's matching integrated amps, and you've got a full hi-fi setup that sounds amazing. It's one of the best choices for serious music lovers who want smooth performance, detailed sound, and long-term reliability, all under $500. At number 2 is the Cambridge Audio CXC V2, a dedicated CD transport built for those who already have a high-quality external DAC or amp. What makes the CXC special is that it focuses solely on one job: reading your CDs with precision. It doesn't include a DAC inside. Instead, it delivers a super clean digital signal to your DAC via coaxial output. The result? Crystal clear playback with less jitter, more detail, and stunning clarity. The build is minimalist and elegant, and the disc mechanism is top-notch. If you've already invested in a good amplifier with DAC, the CXC V2 is the perfect digital transport partner. And taking the number 1 spot for the best CD player of 2025 is the Marantz CD6007. This is a true audiophile-level CD player at a mid-range price, and it continues to be a fan favorite for a reason. With a high-performance DAC, upgraded power supply, HDM circuitry, and support for CD, CDR, RW, and USB playback, this player is an all-in-one powerhouse. The sound is warm, detailed, and musical. Classic Marantz tuning at its best. It also includes a dedicated headphone amp with its own volume control, making it perfect for personal listening. For around $700, the CD6007 punches way above its weight and easily rivals more expensive models. So let's do a quick recap. At number 5, the Sony CDP-CE500, the best multi-disc player for casual users. At 4, Yamaha CD-S303, clean, precise, and built to last. At 3, Denon DCD-600NE, warm, refined sound with AL32 processing. At 2, Cambridge CXC V2, pure digital transport for high-end setups. And at number 1, Marantz CD6007, audiophile performance at a reasonable price. If you're passionate about sound and looking to reconnect with your CD collection in 2025, these players offer amazing choices for every level. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye, or if you already own one of these and have thoughts to share. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more audio gear reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a beat. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy the music.